With stuffed toy?
Yeah, I want stuffed toy too also. What you want, chicken? We want stuffed toy.
Wait.
I want a pillow.
You want a pillow?
Yeah.
Me too, sir. I want also. Please.
Wait.
So we just got 9 shawarmas.
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 And a drink for what? £8? £9? No, money well spent. This would be like 20, 30 quid easy in London.
In London, yeah, that's like 30 quid, easy.
And it was so cheap, the man then thought I was trolling them. They thought I got us one each, but we had 3 shawarmas each.
Are they actually big?
No. They're not big, but I mean for £1.
Yeah, that's not bad.
So our situation right now is we pulled up to the Airbnb and we hate it. So we're gonna book a hotel.
I'm so hungry, but then I'll take like a few bites, I'm full.
It's all the alcohol, isn't it?
I don't drink alcohol, what are you talking about? I'm joking.
Ready? Who's that?
All that, nothing to on the door. Hey, I've got a pattern here, you know what we're doing?
What's that?
So we're gonna go downstairs when we're ready to leave here and say that you forgot your room card in your key and you can't get back in. They'll give you another one, and when we leave, you can keep that card in there forever, and your fan will be, everything will be on. So when you come in, you have a fresh room. Do you get it?
Bro, I'm telling you, you're better off going to a barber in Vietnam. They take their more serious. And also, I've not seen a single fade since we've been here in the Philippines. I've not seen nobody with a fade. This is Christian's room. It's a messy
Take my shirt off.
We're getting ready.
Lee, can meet me. Take you there. Delivery.
Can I join? Can I join?
Come.
Hey, oh my god, it's video.
You don't like it. We just spread love. If your girl's outside, stay worried from me.
I know, I want it.
This one, sir? Hey! This guy is asking me to buy him a drink again. What the is that? With stuffed toy?
Yeah, I want stuffed toy too also. What you want, chicken? We want stuffed toy.
Wait.
I want a pillow.
You want a pillow?
Yeah.
Me too, sir. I want also. Please.
Wait.
We want pillow.
Bro, literally all of them want it. All of them. No way, this guy has ordered popcorn out of cup. What? ¿Por qué no?
Because I like it. Oh, don't forget.
Yesterday was crazy. Bro, Hamza's literally got the maddest videos. The pollution here is just crazy. Bro, the smells. Yeah, these sewagey smells. But everyone's so nice here. Everyone's super friendly. I saw bare online saying that Manila is super dangerous and be careful. But since being here, I ain't noticed anything like that. Anything at all. Everyone's been super nice.
I was like, bro, these 2 things. And he was like, yeah, when he took the best ones, like, you waste that, bro. Bro, I go to Hamza, bro, pretty these 2 then girls, and he's like, takes the 61, bro. I was like, bro, I'm showing you so you can get the friend, innit? Like, you're talking about dirty, bro.
No, I thought you was like putting my arm to it. He was like, yo, look at those 2. Yeah, cool.
Didn't hesitate, bro, I'm just gone. I was like, yeah, bro, next time I do it to myself.
She was saying she's got a man though, but she's getting like bit horny still.
I'm pretty sure that's the one who, yeah, I started chatting to the friend. And then I wasn't getting nowhere with the friend, that's when I told you, come and try and chat to the friend because she's giving me dead energy. And
Oh
it
my
seemed like
god,
you lot.
that's the VIP girl.
Swear down.
That's her, yeah.
What?
Yeah, bruv, yeah.
No way, so I'm handing you free drinks. I don't remember the friend, I just saw her.
Basically,
I don't remember
yeah,
the friend.
yeah,
She was
fucking.
She was leng.
So her boyfriend is the owner of that club.
The Arab guy.
Yeah, yeah,
Is he there?
yeah. I spoke to him,
He might be the
bro.
one that tried banging you.
Nah, it wasn't. It wasn't him.
That's a
I was there. It wasn't him. That was just another.
connection.
That was another Arab guy. You know, for that table, yeah, the table that I was on is 20,000 pesos. Yeah, 20,000 pesos.
What's that like? 700 to 10, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, so that's 1.4k for the table.
And he goes, and I was like, what's your problem, innit? I was like, you looking for a problem, bro? Because I'm not that type of guy, bro. He's like, no problem. Where you from? I was like, I'm from London, bro. Where you from? He's like, Nigeria. Then you show him, man, bare love, yeah? And I was like, yeah, cool, now move in. I'm trying to chat to my brethren. And then he's like, no, you can't go there. I was like, says who? He goes, me.
Yeah, that's long, bro.
But even though I was so drunk, I
So long.
knew I had to kind of make sure I don't do nothing nuts, innit?
Yeah, don't do anything crazy here, because the prisons here are clapped as well. The prisons here are clapped. I watched a documentary on world's worst prisons, and one of them's in Manila.
Is it?
Yeah, and bro,
No way.
bro, yeah, it's pretty grim.
I can't even imagine I'm a prisoner. Like.
A lot of gay sex.
How is it so active in Sicily?
Bro, I was just thinking the same thing. They love the mopeds in Southeast Asia. Even South Asia as well, to be fair. They f***ing love them.
Do you know what's mad, yeah? It is pretty warm, but the sun is like covered, do you know what I mean? It's just bare humid.
I think most of that humidity is coming from the pollution. Like, you can just smell and feel the
Feel that massage sweat in the air.
4Gs. You've done 6 gigabytes in 3 days.
Yeah, I've done 5.
I don't know how the you've managed that.
Do you know what it is? It was that fucking tie.
Yeah,
Being
you.
here, I haven't really used that much, but
Yeah, he's bare in Tagatai.
Yeah.
Most of it was gone in Tagatai.
But I wanted to do that zip lining, but it was closed.
I saw the video you posted. It looked tiny though.
Oh no, it's not. So basically, the one that I wanted to do was one where like you're laying down, and it's like a double man one. Yeah, like Superman, and that looks sick. And that was going like through the jungle. It was like different points in the jungle. But this one, yeah, the guy was saying, oh yeah, they closed that one because of politics. And I mean, I was just a bit like, what? Because politics, they shut down a zip line.
That was a bit confusing. And then you try to say all the Pakistanis are the ones bringing drugs into Philippines. I was like,
It's like,
okay, cool. So he's like, you guys are the reasons why there's so much corruption in our country. I was like, okay then. Okay, bro. That totally checks out, like 100%.
That makes sense why that woman stopped you at Border Patrol thing.
I think it's because I was by myself.
Yeah,
You know they stop a lot of solo travelers a lot, innit?
solo travelers.
Yeah. When I go to Pakistan and any other country I've been to by myself, like the airport, always get stopped.
Boy, that food must have been there all night.
Yeah. Shooters must be making bread though. They're open 24 hours on the strip by the hotel.
Bro, that's the thing though, like here, you can afford to run a place 24 hours. Like imagine you got to pay security guards, you got to pay for like food and everything. Bro, it must be so cheap running somewhere.
I just want to know how much are we getting mugged off everywhere we go?
I mean, we're not though, it's all set prices, isn't it?
It's March.
And the thing is as well, that shooter's place, you know when I paid that bill, yeah? Bruv, the amount of meals that we had on the table, and it come to 30 quid.
What I've thought though, they don't like beers over there.
But they have rice, sausages and eggs for breakfast there.
Have you noticed that? Like they don't like beards.
They don't like beards, innit?
I ain't seen no Filipinos with a beard.
Yeah, maybe they can't grow them.
Probably, yeah.
Yeah, you're right. Still, can't grow beards, can they?
Do you know what, bruv? I've even seen homeless people without beards. What's that about?
I actually prefer beards, man. Like,
Yeah.
I like stubble. Sunday, 6 to 7 a.m. and it's still pretty active, to be honest. It's for 6, 7 a.m. on a Sunday, innit?
Sunday
So active.
people are even doing a walk of shame or going to work.
So clean, so good.
I'll see you today. I'm gonna go and come back. Today, yeah. I'll see you today. Don't worry. I'm here.
You broke his promise last time. You gonna do the same again?
Boss and Baye!
What did you promise her?
I'll buy her a rose for her, and she don't sell any. But she seems to have the same amount every time I see her. So there's something lukey going on. What the
How does that work? Bro, that's crazy.
Does that mean like...
Yeah, so like,
cycles?
yeah, literally. So the bottom one, put the cart in, and it just goes round. I ain't never seen anything like that in my life.
This seems so inefficient.
I was just about to say the opposite. Yeah, because how much space, how many cars is in there, and how much space does that take up compared to one of the car parks in our area? Yeah, that's mad efficient. Because look, that's all that space. That's it. It doesn't go further back than that. That is.
It also doesn't hold that many cars.
But imagine this was in central London. Like this would be filled, considering the amount
If
of.
it was in central London, it'd be like 2 miles out. How was it? You was bare friendly with the trans yesterday. Why are you scared now? I heard you like, oh, what are you saying? You want to come upstairs? Come watch a movie.
Yeah, they're saying hi. You want?
Sorry, excuse me. Can I get a grilled salmon, please? Can I get a grilled salmon?
That's a tough job trying to sell those at traffic light. Like the strawberries, you might be in traffic and think, you know what? Fuck, I'll fancy me some strawberries.
Get him.
But what am I gonna do with a kitchen cloth, bro?
Australians not allowed. Thieves. Wife stealing pieces of shit. What? No to human cell phones. China. Yeah.
I mean,
yeah. Australians not allowed.
you
They
can't-
stole my wife,
you
but
can't
also
blame
China. That is so random.
Some guy's wife got jacked.
So where's
Bro,
our gate?
this is crazy.
You just recorded with that.
No, I wish. I
I
wish.
should have got that, bro.
I know.
I get checked by security every stop.
What the f? Look, they're boarding her right now, bro. Do you know what? Yeah, from what we've just done.
Karma's on our side.